How to use Gemini AI for resume cover letters 2025 guide. Step 1. Open Gemini AI and prepare your details. Go to gemini.google.com and sign in with your Google account. Prepare the following information: your job title and the company name, the job description, your resume or key skills, experience, and achievements. Step 2. Enter a clear prompt. Type a prompt like write a professional cover letter for a job title, position, at company name based on this job description and my experience. Base the job description and your details. Step 3. Review and customize. Check the tone, skills, and formatting. Ask Gemini to adjust the length, the tone, and the focus on specific skills or achievements. Step 4. Finalize and download. Copy the final cover letter and paste it into Google Docs, Microsoft Word, or save it as a PDF.